Hello guys, today again I am Madhu Tiwari with the next part of tense is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. So let's start the today's video. So I am going to start next video of present perfect continuous. Before this start the video, I want to tell you that please comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. So let's start today's video now. Present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense means the continuity of the tense. Continuity of the tense is started before some time. That means the past. But the continuity of an activity is going on. That means the going on of the continuity of the past action has been done, but the continuity of the past action is going on. That means the present perfect continuous tense. So the definition is, let's see, this tense is used to indicate complete activities in the immediate past. In the immediate past means this tense is used to indicate. That means this tense is used to indicate completed activities. Completed activities, as I told you before, completed activities means the activity is started before, but the continuity of an activity is started before, but now it is going on. That means the present perfect continuous tense, immediate past. So I think you all are understanding. So next we see the rules. We have the rules. If you will learn the rules, you can understand easily, and you have to learn, or you have to practice more, but you have to more practice for the tenses rules, so you can understand. You no need to learn the you no need to learn the rules only. You have to practice more and more. You have to depends on your practice only. So let's we start the video. Next one, rule number 1, simple present perfect continuous simple present perfect tense. Subject simple present perfect tense is the rule for subject plus has or have. I have the slash here. Has or have plus verb first form plus object. This is the rule for the first simple present perfect. So I have an examples also. The train has just arrived. The train has just arrived. You can see the subject here is the train. The train is the subject, and has have, we have to in both of them have to write only one, has or have. So the train is noun. Now with the noun we have to write here has just arrived. Arrived is the object, and the verb third form, we no need to write here third form, because this is the simple sentence. Here is not the verb is here. I think verb is not here, that's why here not written here as the just verb first form. So next one is, they have left for Delhi. They have left for Delhi. So subject is they with they, as I written here, as I have written here, I, we, you, they. With the I, we, you, they, we have to write here have, and he, she, it is for has. I, we, you, they for have, and he, she, it is for has. So they with they we have to write have. Left is our leave. They have leave. Past form of leave is left. Past form of leave is left for Delhi. For Delhi is our object. So verb third form is left. I think you all are knowing that the verb is, what is the verb. So whatever we are doing, eating, learning, studying and playing, sleeping, whatever we are doing, that is the verb. So next one is, The show has just finished. The show has just finished. The show. The show is our subject. Has is our helping verb, and just finished is our verb third form. Finished is our verb third form plus object. No need to write here object because the not no here is not an object, so we have written here object. So next one is negative tense. In negative tense, how we will write it? This all subject these all those all sentences in negative. Let's see. Subject plus has or have plus not plus verb third form plus object. Subject plus has or have plus not plus verb third form plus object is our rule for negative tense. Example is, the train has not just arrived. The train has not just arrived. Subject has or have is our helping verb, and not is our negative form, and just arrived is our object. So I think you all are understanding. So if you have any problem, you can comment me, and I am going to upload the exercises for this tenses. I have uploaded, I think I have uploaded 6 tenses with this also. So I am going to upload these exercises also. You have to practice with the video. So next one is, they have not left for Delhi. They have not left for Delhi. They is our, as I told you, they is our subject, have is our helping verb, not is our negative form, and left is our third form, verb third form, and for Delhi is for our object. Understanding? So in interrogative, how we will write here? In interrogative tense, has or have will be in the first, and then we have to write all those sentences, all those rules as I written here. So you can see here, has or have plus subject verb first form, subject plus verb third form plus object plus question mark. Understanding? Has or have subject plus verb first verb third form plus object plus question mark is our for interrogative tense. Let's see the examples here. Has she done her homework? Has she done her homework? Have the girls gone? These are for this interrogative tense. So next one is negative. Fourth one is negative interrogative tense. Negative interrogative tense. Has or have will be right here. Has or have, as I written here, same as it is, it will be here also. Has or have plus subject plus not for the negative. For the negative is not, verb third form, verb plus object plus question mark is important here. Question mark. Understand? Has she, I have an example. Let's see the example. Had she not done her homework? Had she not done her homework? And question mark. Understand? Has is our helping verb. She is our subject. Not is for negative. Interrogative, for the interrogative I have written here. Interrogative. Has or have is for our interrogative, and subject is for subject is our, as I written here in the simple also we are writing here subject plus has or have, same as it is we have to write here also. Has or have plus subject is our she, and not is for our negative, and verb third form done, do, did, done, verb third form plus object is our her homework, and the question mark. I think you all are understanding. Have the girls not gone? Have the girls not gone? Have is for our plural tense, plural subject, girls. The girls not is for negative, and gone is our third form, and the question mark. I think you all are understanding here. So today's video is our today's video is our only the third video for the tenses. So next we will upload our present perfect continuous tense. So for the uploading for the upcoming videos, you have to I am again telling you, you have to comment and share and like also, and subscribe my channel. So thank you.